Listen, sweetheart, AI is not coming for your job. If AI ever replaces you, it's because your boss was 2 minutes away from doing it anyway. The real story: women who use AI are about to pull ahead quietly, efficiently, and with much better hair. Here's the part no one talks about. The women stepping into AI right now are not the most tech savvy. They're the most tired. They are done with doing everything the long way, done with juggling a dozen tabs in their head. Done with pretending they enjoy being the default problem solver for everyone in their life. AI becomes the first tool that says, hand me the mental load, I'll take it from here. Women carry invisible jobs nobody gives them credit for: the reminder system, the holiday coordinator, the appointment scheduler, the human Google. With AI, you dump it all into one place and let the machine care. Ask it to plan your week, make your grocery list, rewrite your emails, organize your to-dos, prep your talking points, create your decisions list. It takes everything off your plate except your actual life. This is the part where you start looking suspiciously well rested. Imagine never second guessing a message, a caption, a request, or an idea again. AI takes your scattered thoughts and hands them back to you like, here you go, perfectly phrased, professionally written, and all done in under 10 seconds. And your friends start saying, you're so on top of things. Meanwhile, you're over there like, thank you, it's my new hobby called not suffering. Let's talk food, because every woman I know has said at least once, if someone else would just decide what's for dinner, I'd be fine. Well, now something can. Take a picture of your fridge and pantry: the spinach that's melting, the eggs holding on, the lemon that's basically a raisin, and AI will turn it into a full recipe with prep time, bake settings, and zero judgment. It's basically the only family member who doesn't wander into the kitchen asking, what's for dinner, before you've even had breakfast. Here's another place AI quietly saves women hours: your hair and makeup. No more leaving the salon unhappy. Look, we pay a professional colorist to get our shades right, but explaining what you want to a stylist or a makeup artist is basically a trust fall with scissors and a foundation brush. And let's be honest, back in the day, we were standing in the drugstore aisle, holding a box of hair dye up to our head under fluorescent lighting, hoping we'd get it right. Same with makeup. We'd swatch a few shades on our wrist, feel confident, and then see ourselves in the car mirror and realize we looked like we'd face planted into a Cheeto bag. Now, you can create a custom GPT that will give you your exact hair color formulas, your undertone, your best lipstick shades, your flattering bronzer levels, and even the color palette you look best in. Then you walk into any salon or makeup counter with a perfect translation of what you actually need, instead of saying, I want blonde, but not too blonde, and a lipstick that makes me look alive, but not loud. Your stylist gets the exact levels and tones. So instead of bringing home another foundation that ends up in the makeup graveyard under your sink, AI gives you your undertone, the right shade range, and even the exact products to buy. So you finally get something that matches your face instead of looking like your head and your ankles belong to two different tax brackets. And if you want to learn how to create that custom GPT, I've got you covered. There's a video waiting for you. Build your own Chat GPT coach in minutes. Check it out. Here's the real punchline. AI won't replace you, but a woman who uses it, she replaces the version of herself that's exhausted, overwhelmed, and doing everything the hard way. You don't need to be more productive. You just need better tools. So if you're ready to pull ahead without breaking a sweat or a nail, hit subscribe. I'll show you how the smart women do it.